So in this video lecture, we will take the problems on those types of matrices, addition of matrices, subtraction of matrices, and the transpose of matrix. Now types of matrices, and I repeat again, we will cover the problems on types, addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication, as well as transpose of matrix. The problems are very simple. दो मार्क के सम्स रहते हैं आपके एग्जाम में इस टाइप के. We will start with the first problem, that is if A equals to matrix of 5, 1, 3, minus 1. B equals to matrix of 2, minus 1, 3, 2. Then our question is find 2A minus 3B. Again, what is the basic condition of addition or subtraction? The order of matrices that should be same. Here, what is the order of A? 2 rows and 2 columns, that means 2 by 2. Order of B, again 2 rows and 2 columns, that is again this is also 2 by 2. That means both the matrix A and B are having the same order, that is 2 by 2. We have to find out 2A minus 3B. So let us start with the given equation, that is 2A minus 3B is equals to 2 into A. Put here the A, elements of A, minus 3 into elements of B. What are the elements of A? 5, 1, 3, minus 1. The elements of B, 2, minus 1, 3, and 2. 2A, that is 2 into matrix A, minus 3B, that is 3 minus 3 into matrix B. Now simplify it. This is equals to multiplying these two inside by using the scalar multiplication property. 2 into 5, that is 10. 2 into 1, that is 2. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. Minus 3 into 2, that is 6. Again, multiplying 3 inside of the matrix. 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. 3 into 3, that is 9. And 3 into 2, that is 6. What I have done? Just a simple multiplication. Taken 2 inside of the matrix, that means the scalar multiplication. This is also scalar multiplication. Taken 3 inside of the matrix. Now, there is a subtraction of 2 matrices. So this equals to matrix of, subtract the corresponding elements. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6. 2 minus, this is again minus, so I put that in bracket, minus 3. It is always better to put the bracket if there is a minus sign. 6 minus 6 minus 9. Minus 2 minus 6. Now you simplify it. This equals to matrix of 10 minus 6, that is 4. 2 minus of minus plus. So 2 plus 3, that is 5. 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9, that is minus 3. Minus 2 minus 6. Minus 2 minus 6 कितना होता है? That is minus 8. So that is the value of that matrix 2A minus 3B. 2 into A का वैल्यूज पुट करो, minus 3 into B का वैल्यू पुट करो, apply the scalar multiplication, then subtract the two matrices. Since there is minus sign, you get the answer, that is 4, 5, minus 3, minus 8, that is 2A minus 3B. Then another example. let us say A equals to matrix of 2 3 1 4 3 minus 1. B equals to matrix of 4 minus 5 3 minus 1 2 and 1. A is 2 3 1 4 3 minus 1. B is 4 minus 5 3 minus 1 2 1. What is the order of A? There are 3 rows, 1 2 और 3 रो है और 2 कॉलम है, that means 3 by 2. The order of B, again there are 3 rows, 1 2 and 3 and 2 columns, that is again 3 by 2. So the same order we have to find. Our question is find A plus 3B. We have to find out the matrix A plus 3B. So A plus 3B. Let us start with A plus 3B is equals to put the value of A. A का वैल्यू क्या है आपका 2 3 1 4 3 minus 1 plus 3 into B. B का वैल्यू क्या है? The value of B is matrix of 4 minus 5 3 minus 1 2 1. A plus 3B. I have written the matrix A, values of matrix A, plus 3 into values of matrix B. Now simplified. This remains as it is, that is matrix 2 3 1 4 3 minus 1 plus matrix of, again apply the scalar multiplication. Take this 3 inside, 3 को अंदर के एलिमेंट्स के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो. You get 3 into 4, that is 12. 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. 3 into 2 6. 3 into 1 3 is equals to. Now in between the two matrix there is a addition sign. So add the corresponding elements. Corresponding elements क्या है आपका 2 and 12. So it is 2 plus 12. 3 plus of minus 3 plus of minus 15. 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9. 4 plus of minus 4 plus of minus 3. जिन लोगों को डायरेक्टली में आता है, जैसे वैसे देखो 4 प्लस ऑफ माइनस 3, जैसे यू कैन राइट 4 माइनस 3 डायरेक्टली. जिन लोगों का आइडियाज क्लियर है वो डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं 4 माइनस 3. जिन लोगों का आइडिया क्लियर नहीं है, दे मे पुट दैट 4 प्लस ऑफ माइनस 3. देन 3 प्लस 6 minus 1 plus 3 is equals to. Now add the elements. 2 plus 12, that is 14. 3 plus of minus means minus. 3 minus 15, that is minus 12. 1 plus 9, 1 plus 9 is 10. 4 plus of minus, that is minus. 4 minus 3, 1. 3 plus 6, that is 9. Minus 1 plus 3, that is equals to 2. So that is the value of the matrix A plus 3B. So we have seen the subtraction of two matrices. We have seen the addition of two matrices. एग्जाम में अगर आपका चेंज हुआ तो सिर्फ मैट्रिक्स के एलिमेंट चेंज हो जाएंगे और ऑर्डर चेंज हो जाएगा. बाकी मेथड तो आपका वही सेम रहे. आप चाहे एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करो और यू मे सॉल्व नंबर ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, द प्रोसीजर इज सेम. Now the third one, if A is equals to 2, 3, 4, 7, the matrix B is equals to 1, 3, minus 2, 5. Find 2A plus 3B minus 5I, where I is an identity matrix. Now here, यहाँ पे दिया है I is an identity matrix. In some cases, it is not given. That I is not mentioned there. They just simply ask find a value of 2A plus 3B minus 5I. Now I means capital I means you have to always consider that is an identity matrix. We have seen the identity matrix. अब यहाँ पे A का order क्या है 2/2. What is the order of B? 2/2. Now since A is 2/2 matrix, B is also 2/2 matrix. What will be the order of I? I means I is also a 2/2. Now I is 2/2 यानी I का आपका वैल्यू क्या है? आएगा I should be equals to 1 0 and 0 1. Since this is 2/2. अगर 3/3 है, you have to put down 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. We have taken the identity matrix of 2/2 and 3/3 in types of matrices. So remember that whenever there is 2/2 identity matrix, it should be 1 0 and 0 1. Whenever it is 3/3 matrix, it will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. That means in 3/3 there are 9 elements, in 2/2 there are 4 elements. So let us find out that matrix 2A plus 3B minus 5I. 2A plus 3B minus 5I is equals to 2 into matrix A. A का वैल्यू क्या है 2 3 4 7 plus 3 into matrix B. B is 1 3 minus 2 5 minus 5I minus 5 into I. What is I? I is 1 0 0 1. Then there is a scalar multiplication. Already दो examples में हम लोगों ने solve किया है. In the same way we have to solve the three matrices. Is equals to matrix of 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 4 8, 2 into 7 14 plus 3 into matrix of 3 into 1 3, 3 into 3 9, 3 into minus 2 that is minus 6, 3 into 5 that is 15 minus 5 into matrix of 5 into 1 that is 5, sorry, we have taken 5 inside, so 5 into 1 that is 5, 5 into 0 0, 5 into 0 0, 5 into 1 that is equals to 5. 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया पूरे एलिमेंट्स को. In the second case we have multiplied 3 inside. In the third case we have multiplied 5 inside of the matrix. Is equals to equal something is wrong. 2 into 2 4. अच्छा यहाँ पे we have multiplied 3 inside, so that 3 will not be there. 3 into 1 3, 3 into 3 9, 3 into minus 2 minus 6 and 3 into 5 that is 15 is equals to now 4 plus 3 minus 5 corresponding elements 4 3 ये this one and this one with the signs 4 plus 3 minus 5. सेकेंड का एलिमेंट है आपका 6 प्लस 9 minus 0, then 8 plus of minus 6. So we can directly write down now Plus of minus means minus 6 minus 0. This element plus of minus, that is minus 0. Then 14 plus 15 plus 14 plus 15 minus this element, that is minus 5. See what you get. 4 plus 3 7. 7 minus 5, that is equals to 2. 6 plus 9, that is 15. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is equals to again 2. 14 plus 15, 29. 29 minus 5, that is 24. Or you may do 15 minus 5, 10. 10 plus 14, that is 24. So that is the value of 2a plus 3b minus 5i. The next example on that type is if A is equals to a matrix of 3 minus 1, 2, 4. Find matrix B. Find matrix B such that two A plus 3B is equals to 0. If A equals to 3 minus 1, 2, 4, we have to find a matrix B in such a way that the value of 2A plus 3B is equals to 0. Up 2A plus 3B plus 0. 2A is matrix, B is matrix, so 0, that will be O matrix. O matrix means 0 matrix. So consider that equation 2A plus 3B is equals to 0 matrix. Put the values. We get 2 into A. A का value क्या है आपका 3 minus 1, 2, 4 plus 3 into B. The matrix B we have to get. So B remains as it is equals to 0 means 0 matrix. So that will be 0, 0, 0, 0. Now multiply this. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 4, 8. Plus 3b equals to 0 matrix means 0, 0, 0, 0. हम लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है क्या है? We have to find out the matrix B. To get the matrix B, ये मैट्रिक्स को राइट हैंड साइड में शिफ्ट करो by using the simple algebra law. So you get, if this matrix is shifted on the right hand side, this will be 3b will be there. ये यहाँ पे रहेगा is equals to matrix of 0, 0, 0, 0 minus ये पूरा मैट्रिक्स उस साइड में गया तो that will become minus matrix minus 6 minus 2 4 and 8. Now simplify it. This is equals to matrix of 0 minus 6. 0 minus of minus, that is plus 2. Then 0 minus 4. Then 0 minus 8. Which is equals to 0 minus 6, that means minus 6. 0 plus 2, that means 2. 0 minus 4, that means minus 4. 0 minus 8, that is equals to minus 8. This is the value of what? This is the value of 3b. So 3b equals to matrix of -6 2 -4 -8. So b equals to, now cross multiplication, ये 3 इधर चला गया आपका, so that will be 1/3 into -6 2 -4 -8, that is the value of b. जैसा हम लोग अलजेब्रा में अप्लाई करते हैं वैसे अप्लाई करना है. 3b का वैल्यू मिल गया आपको, so b इधर आ गया आपका, so it will be 1/3 into this matrix, so that is the value of b. The next example, if A is equals to matrix of x 2 -5 3 1 2y, B equals to matrix of 2y plus 5 6 -15 9 3 -6, and 3a is equals to b, and 3a is equals to b. Find x and y. It is given that a का वैल्यू दिया है आपको, b का भी वैल्यू दिया है. Along with that, the condition is given as 3a is equals to b. This equation is given 3a equals to b. We have to find out the value of x and y. See here. What is the given equation? That is 3a equals to b. 3a is equals to b. Put the values. We get 3 into a means x 2 minus 5. 3 1 2y. Equals to b. B means 2y plus 5 6 minus 15 9 3 minus 6. 3a equals to b. So 3 into value of matrix A equals to matrix B, that means the values of matrix B. Simplify it, you get 3 into x, that is 3x, 3 into 2, that is 6, 3 into minus 5 minus 15, 3 into x 3x, 3 into 2 6, 3 into minus 5 minus 15, 3 into 3, that is 9, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 2y 6y, equals to matrix of 2y plus 5 6 minus 15 9 3 minus 6. अब देखो हम लोग को दो मैट्रिक्स मिला है, दिस मैट्रिक्स एंड दिस मैट्रिक्स, एंड देयर इज अ इक्वल साइन इन बिटवीन द टू मैट्रिसेस. दैट मीन्स वी कैन से दैट द मैट्रिक्स A is equals to B. In equality of matrices, we have seen that if the two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are also same. So here equating the corresponding elements, since the matrices, I repeat again, since the matrices are equal, we can equate the corresponding elements. So equating the corresponding elements, अभी corresponding elements आप लोगों को सिर्फ x और y का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. तो जहाँ पे x और y टर्म है वही हमको इक्वेट करना है. See here, corresponding element should be same. Corresponding elements that should be same. यानी यहाँ पे देखो 6 is corresponding to 6 equals to 6 आया है, -15 equals to -15 है, 9 is equals to 9, and 3 they are same. डिफरेंट कौन से है, यहाँ पे 3x है, यहाँ पे 2y प्लस 5 है. सो 3x is equals to 2y plus 5. I am saying corresponding elements are same since the matrices are same, or there is a equal sign in between these two. So 3x is equals to 2y plus 5. Last element क्या है आपका, 6y is equals to minus 6 and 6y is equals to minus 6. Now 6y equals to minus 6, that means y is equals to minus 6 upon 6. So where y equals to minus 1. The value of y is equals to minus 1. Is equals to minus 1. So you have got the value of y equals to minus 1. Now substituting the value of y equals to minus 1 in this equation. ये इक्वेशन में अगर हम लोगों ने सब्स्टिट्यूट किया y का वैल्यू, then we will get the value of x. Substituting, where is that value? Y equals to minus 1 in 3x equals to 2y plus 5. So we get 3x equals to 2 into the value of y is minus 1 plus 5. 3x equals to 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2 plus 5. 3x equals to minus 2 plus 5 is 3. That means x equals to 3 by 3. Or we can say that the value of x is equals to 1. So here the value of x is equals to 1. So we have got the value of x equals to 1, and previously we have got the value of y equals to minus 1. So these are the two values of x and y. So whenever there is equality sign between the two matrices, we can correspond we can compare the corresponding elements, we can equate the corresponding elements, and by equating the corresponding elements we will get the value of x as well as y. The next one is if A is equals to matrix of 7 0 2 1 2 6 4 5 3, verify that the matrix is matrix is singular or non-singular. Singular or non-singular. A का वैल्यू दिया है आपको. Now we have to verify the matrix is whether it is a singular or non-singular. What is the condition for singular and non-singular matrices? If the determinant of matrix is 0, then it is singular. If the determinant of matrix is not equals to 0, then it is a non-singular. That means we have to find out the determinant of this matrix A. Now the determinant of matrix A is equals to determinant of 7 0 2 1 2 6 4 5 3. Let us solve this determinant is equals to 7 into, now I solve डायरेक्टली. अभी बहुत सारा प्रैक्टिस हुआ है आपका डिटरमिनेंट का, तो यू कैन सॉल्व इट. जिन लोगों को डायरेक्टली नहीं सॉल्व होता है, दे कैन अप्लाई दैट इनडायरेक्ट मेथड. 7 into 2 into 3, ये और ये आपका गया. सो 2 into 3 that is 6 minus 6 into 5 that is 30. Second element is 0, so the minus 0 into anything that will be equals to 0. Then third element is 2, so plus 2 into this end has gone. 1 into 5 is 5 minus 4 into 2 that is 8. I repeat again, जिन लोगों को प्रैक्टिस नहीं हुआ है, they can solve it by step wise. Step wise means 7 into determinant of पूरे लाइन खींचो 2 5 6 3, 0 into determinant of पूरा लाइन खींचो फिर से 1 6 4 3 2 into again determinant of 1 2 and 4 5. Simplify it, we'll get 7 into 6 minus 30, that means minus 24. 0 into there, that will be 0. तो ये आपको पूरा निकल गया. Plus 2 into 5 minus 8, that is minus 3. Now 7 into minus 24, that is equals to minus 168. Minus 168. करके देखो 7 4 जा 28, 8 carry 2, 7 2 जा 14 to 16. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 is equals to minus 168 minus 6, that means minus 174. अभी माइनस आपको वैल्यू क्या मिला है minus 174. Whether it is 0, it is not equals to 0, which is not equals to 0. 0 नहीं है, 0 नहीं है means the matrix is non-singular. Therefore, the matrix is non-singular. So that's it for today. That means for this lecture. In the next lecture, we will solve the problems on transpose of matrix and the most important part of matrix, that is multiplication of matrices. Thanks.